Push to talk. Good morning.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Not bad.
What was that?
Not bad. I'm okay.
Oh, I like the accent. Some phrases I takes me 2 times to get.
But you like my accent.
Oh, I do. Quite.
Can
No.
you guess where
Uh,
I'm from?
you are from Northern Ireland. I don't know. Somewhere in the.
That's horrible.
Oh God. A horrible
I'm
guess. It's a horrible guess or
not
Northern.
from Ireland. No, mate. I don't know. I can't even do the Irish accent.
Just like Britain. I don't know.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. Are you a supporter of Make Britain Great Again?
No.
I think isn't that hilarious though?
There's no such thing. Like, when was Britain great?
Well, when was America great? I'm just saying it
I
was.
don't think it was ever great. I mean, that's down to the individual, I guess. If they like to see a particular golden age, then they can say, that was a great time and we want that. But it just depends on the person.
Hi, Abraham. I'm gonna say hi real quick. Come here.
Need a hose.
Here, do you like Britain?
Clean everything ready.
Okay, you're fine. Leave your knee dirty.
Hello.
Hold on. Let me. Hey, Ram, come here. Abraham, come here a sec. Let me unhook my headphones 1 second, okay? And say hi. Very nice accent. This person named Rainey has. See if you can guess where she's from, okay?
Chicken biscuits.
Hello. How are you doing?
Hold on. I'm still unhooking. Hold on. Abraham, say hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
How old are you?
7.5.
Oh, bless. Is that your dad? Who's this guy?
Yeah, he's my dad. Oh, hold on.
Only kid or?
No, there's another one right here. Hannah, would you like to say hello?
Yeah, but what did you want me
You gotta guess what. You gotta guess where Rainey's from. Go. You have 1 minute. Go.
Asia?
Hello.
Asia.
Earth.
What the Earth? Yeah, Earth. She said Earth and then didn't. She didn't. She said Earth. And
How old is she?
She's almost 10. She'll be 10 in 3 weeks.
And her name's Hannah?
Hannah.
Now, what do you want me
What? Sorry?
Yes, Hannah. I want you to guess where Rainey's from before I go back to work. Come here. She's from Earth. Yeah, Hannah. There's obviously there's an Earth latency here.
highlight it?
Ask
Hello.
Dang it.
Hannah is an internet maniac. Say hello. Say hello.
Hi.
Highlight it.
She's not.
Highlight it.
Hannah, guess what? You know my name's actually Hannah as well.
Cool.
Oh, stand behind me.
This?
Stand behind me for a second.
Can I?
You can't light the lighter because you're a child. No,
Please.
no,
Please.
no.
I'm begging you.
You're begging me. If Rainey says yes, it's okay.
Can I
Can you what?
light a lighter?
You know what? Yeah, you can.
What?
But it's safe.
Mini Kensies.
Oh my
Oh my
goodness.
Abraham.
Cute.
Abraham. Dang it.
I,
Look.
I thought I was going to be able to spend a few minutes away from nuclear family, which is radioactive, but they just
Look what
find
I'm
the instant
Right.
you want it, they find you.
Fire.
Oh,
Like-
are you working from home?
I'm at my dad's place.
Oh, okay.
He's on a nice little lake, which you guys still would have owned if you didn't lose the war.
Right.
Guys, we stole America from them. Rhyme. We stole America from them. Do you know where she's from?
I like that.
I like that.
What?
And yesterday was a celebration of getting rid of Rainey's people, because they were taxing
British.
the shit. Yeah,
British.
yeah, British.
Yeah.
Me and Rainey and I are gonna bring back make Britain great again. Are there any? Have you ever seen a Make Britain Great Again hat?
No, like we don't have that,
I know,
praise over here.
I know, but it's.
We have you. Yeah.
Go ahead.
We have UKIP and Britain first, but that notion, I think, belongs to you guys and your president,
Yeah,
your
but
lovely president.
but you called yourself Great Britain, so it's even better.
So
Like-
we're always great, right?
Yeah, always great. I mean, the main symbol we're fighting for is Make America Grateful Again.
Mama's coming over
Do you agree with that?
Mama's
That's
coming
my
over
saying.
Here.
Has to
Mama's
be
coming
great
over
again.
here. Mama's coming over here.
I don't, Mama, it's fine. No, I say, no, Make America Grateful. We don't have to be great. Like, we have to be thankful
There
for
you go.
all of the advantages we have, like sun that you guys don't have. They don't have sun in Britain.
Yes, they do.
No, they don't. Tell her.
Where's Abraham?
Right next to me.
Abraham, did you clean your knees?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Providence.
Over here.
I can't find the hose.
So why'd you say yeah? Where's the hose so he can clean himself?
I don't know.
You got him muddy.
No,
and
no,
now
no.
You're sitting here like a little fucking bitch while I clean the shit off of him.
Oh my
Literal
god.
shit.
Oh my god.
Go get the
The
hose right now.
future
and
is
clean
gonna
your
love
stuff
her.
off. Go clean it off right now.
Mama, you are a
Like
star.
it literally smelled like
Mama,
wash up.
what do you think about Make Britain Great Again, Mama? Hannah.
You're not even helping.
Hannah?
Yeah. Who are you talking to? Your daughter or me?
That was
I'm sorry. I'm like, I don't know who you're talking to.
I was talking to you. I'm just being silly. I'm on a little break here. I gotta clean up like a ton of shit and do laundry, but whatever.
Yeah.
There's no hurry. They're going back to. We live in Buffalo, New York.
Mhm.
You've heard of it? Chicken wings, terrible football teams.
Nope.
You've never heard of Buffalo Wings, like Buffalo chicken
Oh,
wings?
I have.
Yeah,
I
that-
have. I thought you said it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's us. My great grandfather like strangled a chicken, and when his hand isn't that what happened? He ripped his arms off and dropped them in a fryer by accident.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what happened. But they're going back to the city, and I may stay another day.
You better not.
Because my father bought a house on a lake that's way too big for him.
Oh, nice.
It's a little bougie.
Pop, 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 pop. Walk a chicken nugget doing hop.
Mama, if they randomly talk to someone on the internet,
Hannah, come here.
oh God. Anna, Mama knows that girls are safer, right? Oh my God. Love you. Not you.
Was that your wife or? What was that?
Yeah, it was my or. It was my wife or. Like
What
why?
does that mean?
Like why did I do this? No, she's fine. She's just an anxious person who thinks that everyone in the
Yeah.
world.
Hey.
Hi. Hey, what's up? Good. You sound too young to be on
Sorry,
here.
I'm really awkward. I've never been like in a voice with lots of people at the same time.
What?
How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
Oh, I'm 17. What about you?
Are you? I'm really old.
You're not older than me.
How old are you?
First, do you think that you're older than me?
No, because you have a kid. I don't
Oh.
have kids.
Yeah, but I'm 46. I'm old as shit.
God.
Oh, that's not
damn.
old.
Thanks.
That's old.
Trying.
Oh,
So we have a new person.
I'm 20. Yeah.
You're
And Bob is all.
You're 20 something. You said?
I'm 22.
Oh yeah, you're old.
Yeah.
Jesus. I hate when my headphones don't hook up. It's so annoying.
So why do you come on this server?
Who, the new? That's Zen
No,
Jade?
you.
Oh, me. Somebody linked me here. I've been on tour. Wherever I can get work done. Like, I do a lot of writing, and A lot of times I'll sit in a voice chat and write.
Yeah.
And a lot of times I do it and like nobody I'm in the politics server a lot. You know that one?
Oh yeah, definitely.
A lot of them never read the chat at all, so I can like write a chapter of a book in chat and nobody notices like while they're talking. And if I want, I can just press a button and say anything I want. It's kind of magical.
Yep.
What about you?
I just come on here mainly now after work and stuff when I'm tired, when I'm about to go to sleep, to pass time.
What do you do for work?
Ooh, I can't say that. Sorry.
You can't say it?
Anna.
No.
Alex, I do need water down
Yeah. Wegmans water. No, I bought Tops water.
in the closet. There's Wegmans water.
No, like one bottle or a stack?
Half a pack.
I don't think I brought any, but you can take a couple.
I don't want it.
I bought my dad 32, so there's 32 Tops waters next to the fridge in the basement. Who deserves to be muted?
Well, he called me a stripper, so I think he does deserve to be.
Oh, well, you didn't say what you do, so probably.
Oh, okay. Thanks. Can you see my logo? I mean, my picture, display picture.
Wait, your avatar or what? What are we talking about?
Yeah, my avatar.
It looks like, to me, I'm oldish. It looks like a fish.
Which one?
It looks like a fish or a leaf.
Here?
Are
Yeah.
you cute?
No, it doesn't. It looks like a avatar lady.
A lady?
Mm-hmm.
She
Yep.
cute. It doesn't. I am so old. Abraham, is that my phone? What are you doing? What?
Games.
Sorting my chicken biscuits.
This room's getting bigger, so I can't keep yelling at you.
My chicken biscuits.
He said I'm sorting my chicken biscuits.
It's ridiculous. Hannah, give me my headphone case
Chicken biscuit.
inside on the table inside.
I plugged them in.
Ray Bees is here. I wanted him to change his name to Ray King. Just Ray King.
Raby, he has rabies.
He was Ray P before.
Can I plug them in?
Yes, you can plug him in.
Thanks.
What's up, Ray Bees?
How much
Oh,
price?
he's raking. No. RAY space KING. People are so friendly,
Mix it
Hannah.
up a little. I don't want people to think that I perceive myself as a king. I'm not that sort of person.
Uh, Are you?
Oh,
You're not a joke king. Hannah, say hi to Ray before Mama yells at me.
Hello.
Oh my God.
Rainy, check out this hardcore catfish. that we've
Hello.
got at the moment.
Shh, Hannah.
what, Isabella?
Yeah, check her out.
Any woman with a picture, she's a catfish.
Oh yeah, they're looking for something.
So, if I put my picture up, you wouldn't think I'm a catfish.
Look at the attention that you get, right? And you don't show any pictures of yourself. You don't talk about yourself. You don't post body pics. Yet girls come in here with their face quite. I mean, I assume that it's hers, right? You know what I mean? It's not. But so it's just you're desperate for attention if you're doing that.
Yeah, Brandy, don't share.
Don't show what, sorry.
You sound very pleasant. Don't share pictures. Just be an ethereal, sweet personality without having to subject the men to like, how attractive is she physically?
Rainy, do you ever go shoplifting in London?
Well, guys, the
No.
game is back on. I'll be back later.
What
alright?
game? What game?
Guys,
Soccer? Soccer
Alright.
game? Football?
Yeah.
Who's playing?
Morocco versus Benin.
Is that like the consolation game or something? I haven't been paying attention.
Well, it's the African Cup, Nations Cup.
Oh,
and
okay.
They're in the 8th final, so if they win now,
Unbelievable.
they're gonna be in the quarterfinal.
Oh, I thought maybe.
Is this the Women's World Cup?
Oof, it almost went in.
No,
Anyway.
no, it's some African cup. I thought it was the World Cup too, but Morocco and Spain, that doesn't make sense right now.
Oh yeah, no. All right, I really gotta focus on the game. I'm sorry, guys. I'll see you
Oh.
later. All right.
Benin.
Alright.
Did Hannah leave?
Hannah, Rainey said she was old.
Like, did Hannah leave?
Hannah's right here. Hannah is Rainey.
Yeah.
She said she's old. She's way closer to your age than my age.
That's because you're 70.
Yeah, I'm 46.
Oh.
Isn't she mean?
Dad,
She's
look, there's a bird nest right there.
Hannah, there's other
Look,
people in the
there's a
room.
bird nest
Maybe
right
Ray
there.
doesn't want to hear your crap
Dad,
right
there's
now.
a bird nest.
Where? Oh, there is. Take a picture and send it to the room. Go.
Nope.
For a quarter.
You only have 2
Nope.
kids.
Yes, I. Would you, should I have more? I'll have.
Yeah.
I'll have more. I was thinking if I publish and it works out, I'm probably gonna. You want a lot of half
I'll
siblings?
do it for $10.
You want a lot of half siblings? You want stepbrothers and sisters from random women around the world?
Daddy?
What?
I'll do it if you
Ooh.
take me to 5. If you give Mama
If you're gonna talk,
$40, so we can each spend $20 at Five Below. Deal?
get out of my face, Hannah. Just stop it. And I mean you from Britain. Hannah, say "Make Britain Great Again." She never does what I tell. She never.
Make my dad stop talking.
Thanks, Hannah.
Okay. Okay. It's so cute. Was that Hannah or
Yeah,
the younger one?
yeah.
Yeah.
I just put her on camera. But of course, we definitely can't show her because then her mom will just take them and run away to another country.
You showed us to Bogey.
Bogey, you know for months, okay? Bogey's from England. People from England are good people.
You're not good people.
Ray is not a good person. Ray, are you a good person?
Daddy,
I
if I,
don't know.
pick up a rock
Depends on your
with my
metric.
feet
I
throw
mean,
it at you,
I've never owned a server that's put on a hit on anyone, and I know someone else in England that has. So I mean, that depends. It depends on the metric.
Nah. I want to know who that is, mate.
I mean, I wouldn't. I mean, it's not like there's a woman.
Sounds like a made-up story.
Not like there's a woman in the room that owns a server that tried to kill a member of this server.
Oh, I think that's an exaggeration.
No, it definitely
And I
happened. It
think
was definitely your
that
server, but
shouldn't be
let's not.
something we say in front of kids.
can I go get some worms and go fishing?
Listen, they don't know. What we're
Hannah, go
saying.
behind the computer now.
Can I go fishing?
Yeah, hide from Rainey. She might sense.
No.
Turn your-
stop
Shut
up!
hiding
Whoever
behind
just
the
said
button.
that.
Stop
Hey!
it.
You don't
Stop it.
yell "shut up" to the internet. The internet yells "shut up" to you.
Well, that's messed up.
I do this to the internet. I just give it the finger.
Ooh.
Hannah, but there's good people here now. Rainey's nice. Ray has been.
Well, then
a
that
support-
was for everybody except me.
Okay, everybody except the people in the room right now is cool.
No,
Apologize to Ray right now.
no. It was specifically meant for him.
I'll get you a Ray-Ban.
You already have them.
Those are glasses. I said
Green.
I'll get you a Ray-Ban.
I don't care. It's probably something you made up.
He's gonna be Ray-Banned, and he's gonna be a band of people who only wear Ray-Bans, even though they're out of style now.
Dad. Dad.
Yes,
Yeah.
Do it
Today,
let Rainey talk.
I was with someone.
Whisper.
Daddy,
Okay.
Whisper.
Hmm.
You go ahead. Just so you know.
Okay.
That sounded wrong.
If you,
No.
if you
Oh, no. Basically, I was spending time with kids who had mental health issues.
What are you doing?
And one of the girls tried to hang. Okay, is your kids around? I don't want them to hear this.
Yeah, they're here, but they're also on the internet. Hannah, why don't you walk away for a moment? Because I'm in a comfortable chair. Go see Abraham. Hannah's not going to tell the
so
story.
I mean,
This is an
I hope
adult
they
room.
don't mind, but the girl tried to kill herself, so that was traumatic.
what?
I told you to go away.
Oh, okay.
All right, go ahead. She's gone.
Yeah, I was just gonna say the girl tried to kill herself, and it was traumatic.
You said you're working with these kids? Or just-
So you could say it's volunteering,
nice.
because I'm interested in psychology and stuff. So
But if I said that, would I be accurate? Because there's that sorcerer from the Holy Grail who's like, there are some who call me Tim, but we don't know if that's his name. It's probably not even his name. But I believe you're doing
I
charity.
don't know.
Charity's good. Especially people who have like mental issues and like are in pain.
Yeah, I mean, you just tell they have an issue, like if it's acute or even more serious. Like they're just so down and just they want to end their life, and like their arms, it's filled with self-harming signs. Like they cut themselves up, and you can see all the scars. Wound.
I mean, I think we in the next, like, over the course of this next generation, we have to change the world, because people are, like, a lot of people are getting even less happy, and their underlying issues are springing up. You know, it's like a spring rain. Like, they see the internet, and they so much artificial shit, and so, like, they see the fronts of everyone else's life. They never see the depths. They never see the pain. So they probably feel like they're alone. You know, like they're the only one who's feeling this pain, but it's obviously completely untrue.
Yeah, absolutely. And the thing is, these are kids as well. You know, you would expect a person who went through so much, like a grown adult who went through a lot of traumatic experiences, to be in that situation. But these are kids, young kids, as young as 12, who are going through these things, whether it's anxiety, depression, or suicidal thoughts, and there have to be sections because of it.
Abraham, I'm talking about stuff that you don't listen to. Give me my phone and go upstairs and see mommy.
No, she doesn't want me.
She doesn't want
Okay,
you?
we can change the topic. It's all right.
All right, for a few minutes, Rainey's being kind, okay? And
Mom's calling me.
then answer the
You
phone.
answer.
Put her on speakerphone.
You answer.
It's not ringing on my computer. Sorry. What's up, Michael? It says Michael Dad. I bet he's a dad. What do you think?
But
Michael, oh,
Okay,
Michael's
bye.
here.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu
Good
alaikum.
morning, Michael.
Hey,
I think your package arrived today.
pardon?
It does. I'm actually going out right now to the mailbox. I'll let you know.
Or did you get a battery already?
No,
Abraham?
I have to run that errand.
Go
this
get the
afternoon.
Hey, before you play one more. Go get
Hey,
the, go,
Like 100%.
no. Get the little charger. Pause it.
This?
The little white charger.
this?
Yeah. And the
100%.
I know.
Alright, we've got kids
Fine.
here.
No, I'll let you play if you do
That's
this.
not my problem anymore, unfortunately.
Give me the phone for 1 sec.
Wait,
I'll let you play for a
I
little.
can't pause this.
Well, Rainey, when the wind takes me to talk about artificial battery-powered cocks, Rainey, unfortunately, there isn't a fucking thing on heaven or earth. Stop
You
me.
might not want your kids around.
Yeah, around Michael. Yeah,
So-
or whoever that is.
It's not a dildo, Ray. I sent him.
Can you put it in your mouth?
Oh my god.
my
Daddy,
What?
you want to see the crayfish that we caught?
Let me see.
We caught this one. And then we went down to the creek. Don't look in the bucket, okay? Don't look in the bucket. We caught this one.
Oh, cutie. Here, put him on camera. Let me see.
Why do you, like, do you have one?
Why are you flabbergasted, Rainey? What is it? You got some
Oh.
Or
shorts?
do you have one? Like, why do you know about one? Like,
Did you get many plums at Aldi today? For cheap? What's up, Rainey?
This
Do you
one.
have
This
one?
is the smallest one I got.
Kind of what?
Yeah,
I
this
have
is the
one.
smallest one
Are
we
you
got.
looking to
my
borrow?
God. Okay,
Look,
let's
who's
talk
it?
about ice cream.
This is the smallest one.
he's so cute. Go what I said. Give me the phone.
Where is it?
Inside the
Now,
white,
Dad,
the
look at
white
the biggest
charger
one
and the
we
little,
got.
the little power brick. Okay.
Dad, look at the biggest one I
You gotta
got.
plug it into the power brick. Plug,
Dad,
and
look at
also
the
bring me
biggest
the
one I
case.
got.
Also bring me the case. Ooh, today?
Put some earphones in.
Nice. Go make sure that he does this. Make sure he puts the phone. Tell him to bring. Grab the case from me. My phone case. It's inside somewhere on the table or something, or by the windowsill, please.
If I had a kid, right, I wouldn't come on the server when they're next to me.
Hey, there was nobody here. It was empty.
If I had a kid, I would eat them.
It was empty. That's
You
why I
would
did
eat
it.
them.
Yeah.
How was your fourth, Claire?
Dad, me finish this
It
round.
was good.
What's
Let me
up?
finish the round. I
Yeah,
just
that's
stopped.
some dumb
Blow
Star
up
Wars shit
anybody's
we're
head?
talking about now. Dumbass Star Wars
Yeah.
shit. May the fourth be with you.
Oh wait, no. What? Oh,
We're still playing Star Wars right now.
What happened to that Andricus guy?
Yeah, I don't know whatever happened to him.
Because he was quite like, he was around and I think he was listening to like Tom's videos before.
What?
He was really
Look,
into
hold
it
on.
and then he just fucked off.
He was
No, he's
odd,
holding the
too.
baby.
Ryan, give me the phone so I can put it in the case. I don't trust you with
Dad, look.
electronics. Look at the baby. Look at that.
Ew.
This, her name is Charlie.
Randy, which is your preferred
She's so
color?
cute that she's
Like
trying to
the
push her in the
smooth-
ground. Look at her with her full body weight.
Claire, I really like the one.
Go
that
help her.
goes
Go help her. Run over and help her.
to the heavens.
Run and help her.
Oh my goodness.
Ask her if she wants
That's what
help.
Benedict does.
Curve back on itself. Look, I
No,
can see
it
your
just
foot.
it
Whose
just
foot is
goes
that?
up into the heavens. It points
Whose
at
foot is
God.
that? Is that your foot, Claire?
Yeah.
Claire, you've got a hammer toe.
What's a hammer toe?
I'm not sure what that means.
It's when your toe after your big toe, I don't know what it's called. That first toe after your big toe is as long or slightly longer than your big toe.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Give me that. It's okay. Let's take it. Give me the phone now.
People.
Give me.
It happens with a lot of people, yeah, and depending on the
You wanna go home, you say?
can actually hammer down
What?
on the floor and get bent. It can actually be quite painful after.
Hold on. Let me see my boy.
I haven't
Stand in
had
the chair if you want a phone.
Mine's like about the
3.
same time.
Sit down.
Yeah,
2.
a millimeter or two can make all the difference, Rainey. You'll find
Have to.
that help.
Hey. Sit down. Hey. You're so cute. Love you. You're so mad, dude. Love you. Let me kiss. Now, no countdown. 3, 2, 0, 1. You're done.
No.
Kiss. Love you. Love you. Where's the charger? Maybe on the windowsill. Find the white charger that plugs into the little brick. Hurry up. Go. Go find it.
Wait.
Actually, just get away. Get away.
the phone
Get away.
first.
No, you get the charger.
Yes.
Bring me the charger, the short white one with the bigger end, and it has to be plugged into a power brick that has a full charge. Hannah, what are you guys doing? You play with Hannah? Brian, you got the charger? Abraham,
This.
did you clean up the... No. I brought the phone charger, dude. Also... It's right here. Okay, Mommy, need help? I'm gonna have to... with what? Well, why don't you just do... Just taking a break for a sec. I haven't talked to anyone who was nice in days. Just whatever. I appreciate everything you're doing. I do. I really do. I appreciate... Then I'll do the... Okay, I'll do the rest. Is that fine? If I do the rest, are you upset? Listen, if I do the rest, is there any problem? I'm saying, if you're done, aren't you happy now? You're done. Are you packed? So what are you upset about? I appreciate it. I'm cleaning up after your kids. What? I know there are kids. No matter what we are not. Listen, no matter what hey, if you're done, aren't you fine? Mama? I'm saying, if you left them there, I was gonna the new stuff, so I was gonna rewash it for the time. Oh, that little plaid shirt. Hey, wait. If you're done, and you got to relax for a couple of days, don't be mad. Don't be salty. Just be happy.
Really salty. Don't be really salty.
Take a break. Like, let them stay for a while. Let them see the kids a little more. If you gotta take. No, give them a few minutes. Wow. You hear that, bro? Fine. Hey. Go. Away. You go.
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 You go, Pine.
Go.
No.
This is my office. Get out.
Well, my office is here too. It's a little small area.
Hold this. Hold this. Now get up. Get up. I'll pull your fucking ears. Get up.
Ow.
Get up.
Please.
I'll take my phone. Get up. Walk with me. Walk with me. I'll take my phone. If you pull your ears out, I'll take my phone. Okay? Hey, okay. You take. I'm not even squeezing. You're so full. Oh.
Stop. Stick your hand in my earlobe.
Up there. Hey, you were. Hey, is it make sure it's charging? It is. Is it charging? You don't want to play with Hannah and whatever the girl's name is? You wouldn't rather play with Hannah? Right. Mom said when the kids are here, you guys are going home. So you don't want to play a little more first? Abraham? She can make you go home. What are you talking about? Abraham. 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 Your mom can make you go home. Ryan, Pat has a black belt. Why don't you go fight him? Ryan, you want Pat to teach some martial arts? For real?
With the internet, I think your connection is bad.
Yeah, not understanding might be a common theme of our conversations, Hula.
It's not hula, it's. He called you hula.
Yeah,
Oh
Hula.
my god.
That's your name.
That's
man.
horrible. Oh,
She
my
is
God.
gone, in case you two haven't known.
Oh no.
Why is calling her Hula wrong?
What's a hula?
Because it's Huda. Huda. Huda.
No, Hulu.
Huh?
No.
H
Hulu. Hulu.
WHOLIEU.
CUNT.
Who? Who now?
Check out this fucking catfish we got in the chat. I think it might be Dio. Who do we think this
It's
is?
a catfish.
Yeah, Isabella. She's catfish material.
What about tiger fishing? You guys into tiger fishing? Ooh, if I was an artist, I would draw that so people weren't annoyed. Like draw a tiger fish.
Oh my god, those.
What's a tiger fish?
It's just like catfishing, but on the highest level.
Wait, are you talking about like the tiger fish in the console or like the tiger fish one?
No, like tiger fishing, like catfishing online. What's up, Mama? Say hi to the room. Say hi to the room, Mama. Say hi to the people.
Take some of that water.
Did you say mama?
My kid's mom. She just came out and asked for water again. What?
So are you gonna take the water?
Whatever you want, I'll take. Just send me a text. I gotta talk to people. I need to talk to nice people.
I think you should probably leave it because I drink a lot of water.
Okay. It was it's fun in the morning here. Like I mean, it's fun. I've had a good time here, but like coming in when there's only a couple people is really cool.
Yeah. As
It's
long as
best in the
there's
morning.
few people. Yeah.
I haven't
What's
seen
the-
you doing
what's
your
the
video
bot
blogs,
command?
though, or being
What's
on
the bot command? God damn it, Jackson. What's the bot command to blow up a person's PFP so you can reverse image?
Semicolon,
PFP in my-
avatar.
Sorry.